What's up guys, Marvelous Mighty Rose here, and today I am back with another Adopt Me video, and I'm also accompanied by my best friend. And I'm also accompanied by my other best friend that is also a new member to this YouTube channel. His name is...
Yes, he's Batman.
And today we are going to make a neon skeleton dog. The first one I'm holding is named Jimmy Jr. So I'm going to put the first one here. No, let me write it first. Alright, just kidding. Okay, I put it down, the beautiful blue stream. Okay. And I put this one here in the orange stream, thingamajig. Does anyone wonder what those streams actually are? Okay, one in the pink. Yep. Come on. Come on. There we go. The neon Halloween white skeleton dog. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Look at it. It's like glowing, and I can ride it. It's so cool. It's so cool. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Let me just change into my regular avatar. Yeah, I'm riding a turtle while I'm riding a Halloween skeleton dog. Woo! Woo! And I'm gonna make a mega neon. Just wait until you see the mega neon. It's gonna be like 30 videos from now. Wait, hold on. I gotta dress up. You gotta dress him up. Let me just give him... No, I don't want that. Alright, yes. The candy cane. And a cape, a tusks, and I think that's all. Wait, how does this look? How does this look? Wait, you can't see it. Okay, that's good. I don't really want it, though. Nah. So, guys, what do you think about my Halloween white skeleton dog? Yeah, wait, what? I'm gonna name him Jimmy Jr. Okay. I'm naming him Jimmy Jr. Neon Jimmy Ride Jr. Neon Ride Jimmy Jr. Let's ride into the sunset and also get you some new clothes. No. No, I will not give you your Roblox back. Your Robux. Wait, his is about to... Alex's Merhorse is about to age up. We just gotta wait until he has a task. I'm doing this out of frustration because... Alright guys, this is Marvelous. Editor Marvelous. I'm really tired right now. Oh wait, let's just go back to recording Marvelous. Alright guys, I'm gonna put the nest on him. Where's the nest? Oh, there it is. Let me put it. Guys, he's got a nest on his head. He's like a little birdie. All right. Yes, he is so cute. Wait, what are these? Wait, what are these? Are these badges or stuff? Wait, they are. Oh wait, okay, I get them. What does that say? I'm so confused. It's like, it says 18 hours. Does that one mean day? Like, I don't know. Okay, let me just eat it. Okay, I'm gonna buy this. I'm wasting my freaking money just for this skeleton dog. Oh my god, it looks so cute. Alright, Alex, do your magic. Let's age up them horse of yours. I didn't even hear it. What the heck? Now, guys, don't pay attention to T in the background. Or. Ugh! Sorry, that was me out of frustration. All right, Alex, do your magic. Put it in the bed. Put the horse to bed. What are you saying? What am I saying? I'll bleep it. I'll bleep all of this with the Yes! Merhorse is posting. Yes! Let us go. Let's go. Alright, guys. Wait. Speaking of Rickroll. Alright, guys. This is a blooper, so just listen to this. What's up, guys? Marvelous Monty Rose here, and today I am back with another Adopt Me video. I'm also accompanied by my best friend. And his name is Batman.